How to fix no signal from your PS5 to your television. So if you're getting a black screen or no signal from your PS5 to your TV, then I'm going to show you a couple of ways to go and solve this issue. Now, first thing you want to do is go and disconnect all of the cables going to your television. So this is any USB sticks or any HDMI cables currently going to your TV. Make sure to go and disconnect everything. Now, once everything's disconnected, you need to go and plug your HDMI cable into the back of your PlayStation, and then we need to plug in the other end of the HDMI into the back of the TV. When plugging your HDMI into the TV, try to look for an option that says ARC, as this is usually the HDMI that supports the PlayStation. So for me, that's this one here, and once everything's connected, we can go and power on our PlayStation, and you can do that by holding down the PlayStation button on the controller. Once your PlayStation's turned on, we need to go and change the source mode on our TV. Now to do that, we can use the TV remote control, and you should have a button somewhere on your remote that allows you to change between the different input modes. So for me, that's this source button in the top right hand side. I can go and click on this, and you can see I can switch between the different modes on my television, and I need to make sure mine's set to HDMI 2, as that's the HDMI cable running from my PlayStation to my TV. So you can see as soon as I select this, my PlayStation turns on and I can now see the screen. If it doesn't work for you, you can try using another HDMI port in your television, and if you have another HDMI cable, you can also try using that as well. Sometimes the cables themselves get faulty and that causes the no signal error. So once you've done all of these steps, that should now connect your PlayStation to your TV. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.